Hi, it's me, Debbie Smith-Torrence of Auspicious Wellness. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic, known as the coronavirus, we at Auspicious Wellness would like to provide an important update regarding the current status of the Auspicious Wellness CBD Training Business Workshop. Auspicious Wellness is doing all what we can to try and protect our customers, our clients, and ourselves. Because of concerns over community spread of coronavirus, Auspicious Wellness is now adapting our first virtual workshop in an attempt to fall within the guidelines of keeping our communities safe with the practice of social distancing. With this effort, we would like to try and do our part in terms of containment. With enacting this business model, it has also allowed us to identify added value of cost-saving measures to our attendees, such as saving of hotel fees, savings for meals, savings of travel expenditures, the reduction of the workshop fee from $790 to $500. Because of shelter in place, this would give many people an opportunity to attend our midday courses or our evening courses from the convenience of your home. Additionally, we will also be adding a $100 coupon towards your first minimum order quantity to jumpstart your business in cannabinoid molecules. We're holding the online workshops in small groups of 25 people per workshop in three 90-minute sessions over a 3-day period per workshop in an effort to address Q&A effectively. You are cordially invited to attend our paid workshops on the business side of CBD and other cannabinoid molecules to learn to build your practice in brand and wellness. Our common goal is to teach you to innovate as a collective to help bring efficacy to this industry as a trusted source. The link is listed below in advance to pay for your attendance and training and product refill if you choose to move forward with the Auspicious Wellness product line. This is not network marketing. This is B2B training and sourcing only. In addition, below you will find a link on our website, auspiciouswellness.com, for the workshop in the navigation bar at the top of the website. This link is also posted under workshops. You may pick your time and date for each course. And in the interim, please stay safe, practice social distancing, and avoid community spread of the coronavirus, which is also known as COVID-19. And we hope to see you on the inside. And thank you. Our best to you and your loved ones.